Hey, so I wanted to talk today about predictive analytics and artificial intelligence. And well, we already know that predictive analytics is about, you know, how you can use data science, machine learning, and you can get into R programming and then create data visualizations and use models to derive business value. Just like scientists set up lab experiments to form and test hypotheses, it would be required to build models and then test them on holdout data sets. I talk a lot about R programming to learn foundational concepts with a focus on modern data science applications, time-saving tips, along the way checking answers within RStudio. So all of the statistical theory is explained, from linear regression to gradient boosted trees, and following on the course materials from Introduction to Statistical Learning, we discuss model training, the advantages and disadvantages of each type of algorithm. Now, some of the commonly asked questions are like, does AI replace predictive analytics courses? Can you use like ChatGPT, for example? Yes, to supplement rather than replace your data science work. Just like, we used to have textbooks, and, we would strive to make textbooks as thorough as possible. But textbooks are passive learning, and they're not as efficient as getting hands-on practice under real work conditions. So that's why, our goal is to reduce the amount of time that you have to spend and to provide, everything that you need to do your data science job. Well, okay then, why is this free when other online courses cost hundreds of dollars? Well, we are making this available to everyone to study, to try out our materials. We are so confident of the benefits because we've seen this hands-on teaching style, and we want everyone to join the online course to get a better taste of this textbook. Okay then, about how much R you need to know, and fortunately, we cover things like data exploration, introduction to modeling, regression metrics, everything. We have that's up to chapter 8, 9, 10 is when you get into more of the finer points about unsupervised learning and correlation analysis. And think of it like ChatGPT is your aid, like your virtual assistant that looks up the exact formulas and the syntax for writing your Python pandas code. And so you're kind of the one that's in the driver's seat that's telling it, okay, I want to fit a machine learning model optimizing with this objective function in this data set. Here's the data. I'll actually show you how in ChatGPT you can use their Python emulation engine to instruct ChatGPT to run the code for you. It's kind of a useful teaching method because it shows you a formulaic way of, in a perfect world scenario, this is how you do your analysis. Kind of like if you're shadowing. And I talk a lot about pair programming. That's when you do screen shares with other data analysts. I've personally had pair programming for about 5 years when I was working as a data analyst alongside on a team with other people. I've also managed other analysts before, and so kind of having a collaborative approach to that where we both respect each other's backgrounds and ways of doing things, and finding optimal solutions that really help the business to grow and learn as much as possible along the way. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you did like this if you did get value from this video, please subscribe. So it really helps to promote this content on the YouTube platform. Bye.